Wellcraft. And what we've got here is a rotten transom. I'm about to make a template. Cut up all these cardboard strips and gonna use a glue gun to basically make kind of a spider web of cardboard. So what we're actually looking for here is a 27-foot, not 27 foot, 27-inch transom. So I'll have to kind of project that out over the edge. Okay, so what I've done to get this level is I've got this piece of cardboard here that I cut 27 inches. It's relatively in the center with the drain here. And so I've got the water catch down the bottom here. So I've cut these two pieces of cardboard from here to that point. I'm not sure what that measurement is. About 13 inches maybe, 14 inches. And since this is all flat, I've got my piece here and one on the other side, and now I've got my edges. So I'll actually glue gun those right in place in the back and use those as reference points for my 27 inches on the transom. So this level pretty much fits right on that. So I'll just mark it on the transom where I need it to go. So I'll actually start with these corners. Before I do that, go ahead and subscribe, like this video if you want to see the notification for the next one. Go ahead and add a little glue to this. And this is very simple. I'm going to mark my line with that. And I'll do the same thing the other side. I'll mark all of my corners that way actually, and then glue them all together, basically frame it all together. Something like that. Got all my points marked out here, and then I'll follow the contour at the bottom with marks. I've done the same thing on this side. All my points with the cardboard all glued together, and now I'll just connect them. So this is my piece. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I'm probably going to put this on another video though. I'm running out of space. Go ahead and like this, subscribe. You'll get the next video. Appreciate it. Share with your buddies. Makes me happy. Thanks.